What up, what up, what up, YouTubers? It's me, Busy Bee, and I am back with another wig review. Today, I am giving y'all a double review. That's right, a double review. Today, we are doing the Sis Sister Wig unit. I'm going to be giving you the Fia, and then you'll see next the Gia, okay? Fia and Gia. And this basically is the long unit of the Gia. So the Fia is the long one, the Gia is the shorter one. This is pretty much a throw on and go type unit once you've cut the lace. So I went in and I cut my lace. It is a side part unit, so the only thing I really had to do was go in with my concealer, handle that, and the adjustable straps make this wig fit really snug. And I didn't even really do anything to the front. And when I say I didn't do anything, I mean literally I didn't do anything to the front. So all you have is just like how it naturally looks. I love these little hairs that they give you to kind of like sit flat as well. And that's pretty much it with this unit. I did do a little bit of laying this particular sideburn that they gave, or baby hair that they gave down, and that was it. I didn't do a full like baby hair thing because I don't think it needs it. Like, we can chill on the baby hairs, you know what I'm saying? Like, it looks a bit more realistic when you chill on your baby hairs. So, you know, I've been really looking for units where I don't have to do baby hair stuff. And I think this is one of those types of units. So let me let you see the back. And so that's pretty much the unit. This is the Fia, the shorter version of the Gia. Bam! This is the Gia. This is the Gia unit, y'all. So this is the Gia unit in a one. Once again, the Sister Wig, Sis Sister Wig Slay collection. Another hair, another slay. That's what it says. Another hair, another slay. Now, it does say you can heat this up to 350 degrees. So maybe on the longer unit, I would want to do that. But on this bob, I feel like it comes out the pack right and ready. Locked and loaded. Ready to slay, as they say. Yeah. Okay, so no, seriously, it's a throw on and go. Literally. Like, if it wasn't for the fact that we was on quarantine and I ain't got nowhere to go, I would wear this somewhere, okay? So, like, I need us to hurry up and get out of quarantine so I can get out and wear this unit and slay. You hear me? First off, it's like another glue less. Do y'all see this? Like, no glue. I love a no glue unit so much. The adjustable bands are really good, And that's what I use to basically hold this unit down. I mean, this looks good. You hear me? Good. Okay. Now, if you want to pull it all back and stuff like that, which I'm not going to do, then yeah, I would say maybe you want to glue your edges down, but that's really up to you. I'm gonna wear it straight because I really like it just like this. What else can I tell you about? There's nothing else to tell you about this unit. Like, it's a straight out the box good unit. It's a must have in your collection. It's a must have bob in your collection. You know, once again, like, didn't really do anything to it besides cut the lace off, make sure that my part had my foundation or concealer rather. Well, it's a concealer foundation, so I guess I had both. And that was it. This is the unit, and it is giving me all types of life. All types of life. Anyway, let me know what you think about these two units. Like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube. Let me know your thoughts, all right? Bye.